Hey y'all, and welcome to the Southland Piper. I'm your host Tim. Hope you're doing well today. Well, today I have this champ pipe that needs a little work on it, so let's turn around to the workbench and get started. All right, let's take a little closer look. That's a Danish shape, little sitter. Oxidation on the stem, there's quite a bit. The bit is okay. If I can get focused, there we go. And the stamping, champ, Denmark, and a 7. Up close to the rim, not heavily coated. Has had some reaming done on it. It's not terrible as far as the oxidation goes. There you can see how bad the oxidation is. A little dirty down in the mortise, but not terribly bad. Passing a little bit of light, but not a whole lot. All right, well, let's get started. Let's see if we can't clean out that draft a little bit. There we go. Yeah, and there's the bit at the bottom. So that cleaned out nicely. As far as opening back up. Not clean yet. Let's see how dirty this stem is. This is a tapered, bristled pipe cleaner. A little bit, not too terribly bad. So let me continue cleaning the inside of the stem and I'll be back. Well, the inside of that stem wasn't too bad, so we're going to go ahead and put it in our deoxidizer. It's before and after. And we'll put that in for a couple of hours. And we'll let that soak. All right, let's get the inside of this pipe cleaned out. We'll look at this shank one more time, the mortise. A little dirty, not overly dirty. That'll clean out nicely. All right, things are looking pretty well. Don't really see any issues with the walls or anything, so I believe we're in good shape. Yeah, let's see how dirty this shank is. Dirtier than the stem, that's for sure. So let me continue on and I'll be right back. All right, we've got that mortise fairly damp with some alcohol. So let's take our reamer, our mortise reamer. See if we can't get some of that out. Yeah, a little bit. Not too terribly bad. Take some Q-tips and some more alcohol. We'll work on that mortise a little bit. That reamer will really help to loosen stuff up in there and help to clean this. All right, I'll let you see it when we're done. All right, the mortise cleaned up fairly nicely. So I'm happy with that. So looking at the condition of the stummel, we've got some scratches I'm not going to worry too much about on the bottom. It's really in pretty good shape. It's just dirty up here on the top. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to clean the rim and see what it looks like after that. I am going to use my before and after cleaner, but I'm not going to do a long soak or anything. I'm just going to put it on there and immediately just brush it with some water and a soft bristled toothbrush. Okay, I brushed that for a couple of minutes, so let's just take some, this is just water. Rinse that off. A little bit still down in there. So let me continue to clean on a little bit there. Okay, I've got just a little bit of carbon. It's a couple of these crevices that just doesn't want to come out. So I'm just going to take my dental pick and work on that a little bit. Trying to decide if I want to just buff this rim or do I want to put a fresh coat of black on it. I'm kind of leaning toward leaving it as the way it is. I think it'll buff up pretty nicely. Now, I did notice, before I even cleaned it, that this rim is a little lighter. I don't know that that bothers me. Up toward the rim, it's almost like it's got a fade on it, but it was that way before I started to clean on it. So, let's buff it and see what it looks like. If I don't like it, I can always strip the wax off and put a little dye on it. Alrighty. Let's pull the stem out. It's been in there a couple of hours. Looks pretty good so far. Getting a lot of that off. Well, big improvement. Let me get it buffed out. I've already buffed the stummel, so the next thing we'll see will be the finished pipe. Well, here's the finished pipe. I think it turned out really well. The stem cleaned up really nice, buffed out nice. A little difficult in this area down here, but it buffed up just fine. Rim looks really good. Overall, it's a nice pipe, cleaned up well. But thank you for sharing your time with me today, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye.